Hi everyone, Aaron from Ariens Co here, showing you how to install a snow cab to your Ariens 2-stage Sno-Thro. Installing a snow cab is a great way to add comfort to clearing. Our snow cabs shield operators from harsh wind chills and snow blowback in windy conditions. And without that powder in your face, you work safer and with greater visibility to the area around you. Follow along for the next few minutes as we install a snow cab to an Ariens Deluxe-series model. And even if you don't have a Deluxe-series model, this Ariens Snow Cab installs to all current production Classic, Compact, Deluxe, Platinum, and Professional Series models.
Remove your kit from its packaging and confirm the parts listed in the instruction sheet are included. Remove the packaging from around parts A, B, C, and D. Install rod A to bars B and C. Then install the D mounting bar ends to mounting bars B and C. Insert the unfinished ends of the E-rods into mounting bars B and C. Remove poles F, G, and H from their packaging. Connect two sets of two F poles together, creating two pairs of F poles. Then connect a G pole to each pair of F poles and connect the H pole ends to each G pole. Insert the F, G, and H pole assembly into the D bars on the frame assembly. Remove the I and J poles from their packaging. Connect two sets of two I poles together to create two I pole pairs. And then connect the J pole between both I pole pairs. Insert the I and J pole assembly into the E-rods. Separate one LK assembly from itself and reassemble it around one end of the A-rod, but leave the hardware loose. You want the LK assembly to spin around the A-rod freely at this point. Repeat the same procedure with the remaining LK assembly and the opposite end of the A-rod. Once again, leave the LK assembly loose. Remove the canvas from the bag and install the pocket on the canvas into the thinner poles on the cab frame. Pull the canvas toward the bottom of the frame and install the elastic band at the front left of the canvas around the C bar. Once the band is secure, fasten the velcro strap on that side around the A-rod. Now install the elastic band on the right side of the canvas around the B bar. Once the band is secure, fasten the remaining velcro straps at the front of the cab around the A-rod. Pull the elastic band on the left rear of the canvas around the D bar on that side. Then do the same with the elastic band on the right rear of the canvas. You may need to reinstall the front elastic straps around the front of the cab frame if they become disengaged. Once all the elastic straps are secure around the frame, fasten the Velcro straps around the D-bars on each side of the unit. Then fasten the Velcro straps near the top of the canvas around the poles at the rear of the frame. Note there's a Velcro strap on each side. Disassemble one of the NOP assemblies and install the P-bolts around the right side of the handlebar assembly. Install one bolt over the crossbar and one bolt just under the crossbar, but do not install either bolt over the wire harness. Install parts O and N onto the P-bolts and secure with the original hardware. Turn the hardware tight enough so the O spacer bends with the contour of the N post. Repeat the same process on the other side of the handlebar assembly. Remove the covers from the N posts. Install the M mounting posts onto the N posts, but do not tighten the hardware. Install the U posts into the M posts and tighten the hardware which secures the U posts to the M posts. Position a suitable support behind one side of the handlebar and then install the cab assembly so its K posts insert into the U posts. Then tighten the hardware at the top of the U posts. Position the cab level and tighten the hardware securing the LK assemblies together on both sides of the cab assembly. Tighten the hardware securing the M posts to the N posts on each side of the unit. Install the W bolt caps onto the P bolts on each side of the handlebars.
If you're installing a snow cab to a Rapid Track model, you'll also need kit number 721038. And if you're installing a snow cab to a wheel-driven unit, we recommend adding a 10-pound weight, kit number 724065, to the front of your Sno-Thro housing. To find a snow cab for your Ariens Sno-Thro, visit your nearest Ariens dealer, which can be found at ariens.com/dealer. Or shop from home at parts.ariens.com. That's all for today, but remember to contact your nearest Ariens dealer if you have questions. And as always, if you guys like this video and want to see more helpful content from Ariens, subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified whenever we publish new videos like this one.